I let ChatGPT Agent Mode run my business for a day. Here's what happened. Hey guys, Jay here, and today I'm showing you something brand new. I've been using ChatGPT forever, basically since it came out. But now I've got access to Agent Mode, as does everyone else who's a paying customer on the Plus, or I believe the Pro plans, or anything above. If you're a paying customer, you should have access to Agent Mode. This isn't just a chat bot. It's got a virtual computer under the hood, which means it can browse websites like a person, choose between a full browser or a lightweight text mode, and it can even run Python code and generate files. It'll connect to my Gmail or your Gmail or Google Drive to pull notes and summarize emails, but only when I let it. That's huge for workflow. I'm not saying, hey, upgrade to Plus or one of the paid plans because it's something new. I'm showing you how it saves you time. And if you're on the Plus plan like me, like $20 a month, you basically get yourself a digital employee that never sleeps. So let's prove it. First demo we're going to do, I got a couple of demos down here. They're already done. I already put the code in to save us time so you don't got to sit around and wait for it to generate. I'm building a landing page from scratch. Just a simple landing page to show you that it can do it. Second demo, I've just got something. This is pretty simple. These are different load times from a couple of my sites, and I got a graph showing the different load times for those two different sites. And I have another one, and where I created an actual. And here's the actual prompts. And the last one, I've got an actual slideshow that I've created. I'm going to show you those two, the first one and the third one, and in this video, using Agent Mode. And the first thing you notice here is I'm on, before we dive in here, stay with me, I'll show you how easy this is to use. But first things first, you got to make sure you're on Agent Mode. So this is, if you're inside ChatGPT, you got to be on 4.0. That's going to be the mode you're going to want to be on. And then you're going to want to select Agent Modes. You're going to come down here, hit Tools. You got Canvas, Web Search, Study and Learn, Create Image, Deep Research, select Agent Mode. Then once you select Agent Mode, you're good to go. You'll see it down here. And here's our demos. And this is the chart that it already generated right here. These are the load times in milliseconds. It shows you from instant sales funnels to Jay's Online Reviews. And then for the landing page, I'm going to do a simple landing page for my AI toolkit. Link is below. You're going to get 20 plus AI marketing tools. Very helpful. These tools took me a ton of time to put together. They all have AI output, so you don't have to mess around with, your ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, whoever you're using. As far as your large language model goes, you're not going to have to mess around. Try to get the perfect prompt to try to get the perfect output. These are all done for you. It's all set up with professional prompts, and you're going to get professional outputs, and this is going to save you a ton of time. So I got all the way from a story-based email generator. That's my main product. A ChatGPT prompt generator, video script generator, thumbnail prompt generator, even for videos, Google VO3 prompt generator. And you can see on the screen, ClickBank niche finder, affiliate program finder. I have it all. So if you're interested in this, link's going to be directly below in the video description box. So let's get back here to this tutorial video. And this is in this one here. Here we go. Here's the landing page, demo one, building landing page with Agent Mode. And then they gives me the prompt to paste in a ChatGPT Agent Mode. I've already done this. What we're going to do here, and there's a demo 2. Demo 3, create a slide deck. And this one is, I'll show you that in a second. Here's the landing page, okay? It's just creating something simple here. Includes a futuristic hero section created with a dark to neon gradient, your headline, subheadline, and a bright call to action button. And this is the HTML right here. To see this live, all you got to do is click There's a copy button and an edit button. If you're putting this on your site, obviously you're going to copy the code, go on over to WordPress and paste it in there, and it'll be live on your site. I have videos showing you how to do that as well. But if you want to see what it looks like on ChatGPT inside Agent Mode, click Edit. It's going to open up this. All the code's going to be right here, and you got a preview button right here. Click the preview button. You can see what it looks like. This is the start of it right here. Simple start to it. Unlock 20 plus free AI marketing tools to save you hours. And then you can have it linked to whatever site you want, etc., etc. But that's all you got to do. This is so easy. So you can create full landing pages. Just you got to be in depth with your prompts inside ChatGPT Agent Mode. The more in depth your prompt is, obviously the better your landing page is going to be. This one was a simple one, but you can obviously make them a lot more in depth. But for this demo, we're going to keep everything simple. And then we're going to go back over. Here's stop. We're going to go back over, close this out, and go back over to the demo. So I've showed you this one. So this is the code right here. Copy the code, go on over, paste it wherever you want. Your agent, your ChatGPT agent just created a landing page for you. And this one here, this is a PowerPoint deck. It includes 5 polished slides introducing ChatGPT Agent Mode to marketers. Comes complete with illustrations, concise text, and citations to support each claim. You can download the presentation file below. And here it is right here. All you do is click on it. Let's see here. That's how you download it right here. We're going to open the file. And this is it right here. How cool is that? All you got to do is download it and it's done. You got a presentation, slideshow, and you can upload it to here you go. You got this is the first slide. This is the second slide. What is Agent Mode? Browse and interact. Run code and analyze data. Connect apps and emails. It uses a virtual computer to click, scroll, and search websites for you. Runs code and analyzes data. Execute Python scripts to crunch numbers. Builds charts and automates tasks. Connects apps and emails. You can integrate with Gmail and Google Drive. So you can upload this to Google Drive to fetch emails, notes, and calendars with permission. Key benefits for marketers: automated research. Let AI scour the web, get competitor insights, and summarize reports. Landing page creation. Generate polished pages complete with images, copy, and calls to actions in seconds. Data analysis and charts. Turn raw numbers into tables, charts, and insights without leaving the chat. Here's number 4. Agent Mode workflow. Plan campaign, generate content, analyze results. Ready to supercharge your marketing? Unlock ChatGPT Plus Agent Mode and Agent Mode. Automate tasks, build pages, and analyze data all in one place. Sign up now. And you can see here, how cool is that? You can do all this from Agent Mode and more. And what we're going to do here real quick is anything I left out, because this is kind of brief and everything they can do, I'm going to try to go through it right now and ask ChatGPT again what it left out in Agent Mode. What did you leave out as far as Agent Mode's features? Please list all of them. We're going to hit enter. And all right, let's try this one more time. We're going to get out of Agent Mode for this basic question, and we're going to ask please list all of ChatGPT Agent Mode's features. I think it's answering it right now. And we don't need Agent Mode to answer a simple question like this, but here we go. We're going to wait for this to populate. I'm going to come right back down here. I want to show you something real quick before I end this video and go over the rest of the features. There's the load time one, the demo one. This is the landing page one. Let's see if this can... No, actually I can't. Never mind, that's not a big deal anyways. I was going to show you guys live, but it actually refreshed the page where it shows you live. It actually building this out. But this is going to be similar. It actually shows you how it's working as well behind the scenes to build a landing page. Kind of how, if you're familiar with Manus, like one of the real popular agents that are out there, like fully autonomous agents that could build websites, that could do basically anything, apps, you name it, they can do it. And the one I use, Bacchus.ai, aka Deep Agent, it basically does the same thing on here, but on a smaller scale. But we're going to go back here and see what the answers are. And I'm going to go through them with you and end the video. Here's a full list of what ChatGPT Agent Mode with Plus and GPT 4o can do and why it's such a game changer for marketers, creators, and entrepreneurs. Core capabilities unique to Agent Mode. You can use a virtual computer, aka the sandbox, run real Python code inside a virtual machine, access file systems to read write files, generate charts, graphs, and analyze data on the fly, execute complex workflows like cleaning CSVs, processing PDFs, which is cool, building slideshows, which I just showed you, writing custom scripts. This is the foundation of Agent Mode, like having a built-in coder and analyst working for you 24/7. Use tools. You can browse the internet in real time. Python tool to run code. File tool, read, edit, analyze, upload files. Dolly tool, you can generate or edit images. You can't do that in the free ChatGPT version. Code interpreter, you can solve complex logic and math problems instantly. Special features in beta or plus exclusive. Slide deck builder, which I just showed you how to use that. Instantly generate PowerPoint style presentations from outlines or ideas. Choose formatting, visuals, and styling. Export as PPTX with clickable text and editable slides. Spreadsheet wizardry, you can see all this. It goes through follow-up automation, document parsing and automation, live web research, workflow automation for marketers, plan a campaign, write copy, build funnel pages, brainstorm, generate UTM links. So basically, this is all the stuff that you can do with ChatGPT's new Agent Mode right here. So that's that, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this quick demo. Just a quick walkthrough just to show you what, if you're not familiar, if you didn't know they had this feature out yet, you want to know a little bit more about it. This is that, briefly in a nutshell, is Agent Mode. And if you have any more questions, shoot me a comment in the comment section below. Make sure you sign up for my 20 free AI marketing tools directly below as well. If you like this video, hit the like button. I'd appreciate it. And subscribe for all future video updates. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.